Well, if you don't know where we are, we're here in Murrells Inlet, heading over toward the Wicked Tuna for the Bloody Mary and Oyster contest.
All right, let's go take a look. Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're finally here at the Bloody Mary Festival 2023. We've been waiting all weekend long for this. The sun is fighting to come out, and hopefully it'll stay out.
And if it pours down rain, so be it. We need to find out what we need to do this year. All right, so let's see, check.
They're doing IDs.
IDs and wristbands. What I need to do?
Just give me your hand. 21?
Almost 21.
Okay.
So we just got a stamp. What does it say? Can't read it.
Make sure you're 21.
So make sure you're 21.
Over
and then
21.
We're gonna stand in this line here.
I think we're gonna do $20 worth, because someone's got to drive home.
That's right. It looks like it was the same thing last year. $60 for the big kahuna. With everything, $35 just for the oysters. $20 quick pick. You get the souvenir glass, 5 Bloody Mary mixed. So we're gonna go with the $20. All right.
Great, enjoy guys.
That it, thank you.
All right, so you're ready?
Yeah, here's your souvenir glass.
Yep. Who
Tell me
is
what it says.
Oh, it's got a mermaid on the front of it.
Oh, you like that part.
Yep, and paddles. And that is too small for me to read, so you're gonna have to read that.
I'll have to zoom in?
Yeah,
Let me
so-
see here. It says,
It says I'm thirsty.
so I'm gonna try my first one here at the Rustic table.
Rustic table is located in Pawleys Island. Here's a quick pick of their menu. Now, what does it have in it?
Well, without giving away your secret.
Yeah, don't give away the secret ingredient.
A little bit of horseradish, Texas Pete pickle juice,
All right.
and on the garnish we're going to have a New South beer braised sausage, pickled okra, pickled green bean lemon, and homemade firecracker crackers.
Homemade firecracker crackers.
That is
Give it a
Beatbox's
try.
favorite.
I'll take it. One, right? Give you a ticket?
Yes, sir.
In this bag. I guess I'll eat this in a minute.
All right, let's
Ready?
do it. Yep.
The Rustic table. It's my first one, number 1 of 5.
Woohoo!
It was hot. That's a good Bloody Mary. It's hot. You
That
like that
you
one?
like that saltine cracker, that
I
hot
like
fire.
it. It was melting in there.
All right,
All right,
let's
let's
go
find
on to
out.
the next one.
All right.
Here is the Classy Meets Sassy, my kind of Bloody Mary. Let's try it out. Hey, ladies.
Hey, how are you?
How are you?
Good.
There's my ticket.
You're out.
I'm
Is this
sorry.
Graham's Landing?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
All right, Graham's
Landing, right
down
here in Murrells Inlet.
That's right. Delicious. We love their food. They have the delicious wings and everything.
All right, and your garnish is a organic multicolored tomatoes, cracked pepper bacon, and a dill garlic pickled cloves.
Wow.
And cheddar cubes with a wasabi Old Bay rim.
Let me see that.
Look at that rim.
Goodness.
When
All
classy meets sassy. Let's
Yes.
see.
Classy
Hey,
meets
girls.
sassy.
Thank you. Come see us.
Oh, most definitely.
That's good.
You gotta check this out.
All right.
And you do have this at your bar too, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, delicious. Not just for today. You can get it anytime down there in Graham's Landing. Go check it out. You'll love it.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you. Here's Regatta's if you want to do that one. Regatta's is located in Surfside where they have karaoke and they just put in a new patio outdoors. All right, here's Regatta's in Surfside like I was telling you, and let's check it out. Oh goodness.
Sandwich?
Oh wow, look at there. They got an egg
wow,
that
this
looks
comes
like,
with a sandwich,
is that good
huh?
old,
It's
bacon, egg, and tomato cheese.
Oh, he'll love that.
All right.
All right.
Have it with your Bloody Mary.
You're supposed to have bacon and egg and that good old southern pimento cheese. There's your famous Jupiter pies that you'll see at a lot of the festivals up here in Myrtle Beach. How are you doing?
So far, so good.
I see that. These are so delicious.
They are tomato.
I've never seen this.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, something new.
Our paste.
Oh my goodness. Yum. Oh my goodness. And they should, oh my, and cinnamon. Look at there. Don't you want one? Look, hungry. They're delicious. Bet you can't eat just one.
Correct.
That is so true. Ooh. Oh, and here they are, finally, the salty pickle.
Oh, hi.
Hey, right outside of Garden City. This is one of my favorite restaurants. You gonna try it this year or you want me to go for it?
I'll try it. This will be my second one.
All right, go ahead, Beatbox.
Come on.
Are you ready?
We got some
Get in on this goodness.
pickly goodness.
That's right.
Chicken.
Puerto Rican chicken.
Yes.
All right. Number 2. Let's see. I should have 3 left. Yeah, I got 3.
That.
All right. So what's the garnish with?
It's got a little tahini on here. We got a little pickle, our Puerto Rican picus chicken, and a block of cheese.
All right.
Don't eat that lime though.
Don't eat the lime.
Yeah, not at all.
It's not healthy for you. All right. It's a salty pickle.
All righty. You can go over to the side.
Oh, that's good.
You like that? Try some of that
Number 2.
Mediterranean chicken. What's that tasting like?
What's it called? Puerto Rican chicken.
Puerto Rican chicken. I said Mediterranean, but Puerto Rican chicken. The freaking chicken from the salty pickle. And woo,
Good. It's hot too.
is it? And that was from Tickle My Salty Pickle. And look at this kettle popcorn. Free sample. He's in there just getting it on. That's a lot of hard work for you. Smells delicious.
Out
Hey,
of Polly's Island.
And
You got
Polly's
it?
Island again, yeah. Moe's
All
Barbecue.
right.
Well, have to check it out. We love barbecue.
See here.
All righty. Let's see what you got. What's it?
What the heck? Look at that.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, yeah.
This one is not red, it's green.
Bacon, cheese, what's that, carrot?
Carrot, pickle. Yep.
Pickle.
Oh,
All right, where's your
Right there.
thing?
Come on.
All right.
All right.
Now this is a
Ready to
green.
party in your mouth?
Oh yeah.
come on over to
Ready?
the side over here.
All right, so this is Moe's
Yes.
original.
All right.
Let's try this. It's green too.
Yep. Don't be confused by the what's it taste like?
My third margarita. I mean, what is this? Bloody Mary.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's hot.
So the green is spicy, huh?
Yeah. Good and spicy. Look at that bacon.
Looks like candy bacon.
Green margarita. You don't see that too
No,
often.
green Bloody Mary.
I mean, Bloody Mary.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about.
You don't see that too often, do you?
Right?
I think he's gonna drink one too many.
But
No.
not two enough.
And here is the Old Irish Pub. We've filmed them a couple of months back where they have the delicious Irish egg rolls. Oh my gosh, they're out of this world. So, hey, how are y'all doing? So let's try their Irish, is it gonna be an Irish Bloody Mary?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
Guinness in it.
Oh, that is delicious. Let me pour
It's
that
got
out.
Guinness in it. I like that.
Guinness, oh my goodness.
You got
All right.
corned beef, Swiss, Irish bangers, pickles, Swiss, and an olive.
Oh, yum. All of that on one stick.
All of that on one stick.
It was Swiss and what?
You got corned beef, Swiss, Irish bangers, pickle, Swiss again, and an olive.
Wow. It's the Irish Bloody
Irish.
Mary.
It's got Guinness in it.
Oh,
Y'all
yes.
should have brought y'all's egg rolls.
I know.
Yes, we love those egg rolls. All righty, here you go.
Hey, look
From
at
your
that.
very own Old Irish Pub in Myrtle Beach. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
You want some of this?
Yeah. I'll take some of the
All
olive.
right,
I like the
garnish,
olive.
huh? Oh, and they even have the little leprechaun.
The shamrock. You like it?
Oh, yeah. You can taste that Guinness. It's very
Really?
good. Thank you. Very good.
All right, for my fourth one, I think I'm gonna try Uncle Tito's.
All right, Beatbox. Well, give it a shot.
You want me to do it?
Yeah. From
All right,
Tito's,
here's
Uncle Tito's
the
across
glass.
the street.
And here's a ticket.
Perfect.
All right, thank you.
Food on a stick. All right, Beatbox.
Okay, so this is from Uncle Tito's. This would be my fourth manly mimosa.
You're having a little bit of problems there.
Let's try this first. Ready?
Okay. Here, give me the napkin that you're so heavenly carrying around. All right.
It is refreshing. Very refreshing. I'm wondering if there's any alcohol in this.
You can
What's
set
this,
your
a
beer
beef?
down so that you can enjoy. Oh, that's the face only a mama would love right there.
Okay.
All right.
Uncle Tito's.
We ain't gonna get that.
With some grass.
Devil's lettuce.
Huh?
Some devil's lettuce.
Some devil's lettuce. Well, we finally made it to the oysters.
Let's go check out the big old, where they're cooking.
All right.
Big old steam pot. It's all you can eat, so you can get as much as your little heart desires. Make sure you bring your gloves and your shuckers. Look at them, they're having a good time.
Look at that beautiful marsh.
All right, barnacle bills, and as you see these skeletons and all that, maybe Beatbox will be walking
right.
like a skeleton.
Barnacle Bills.
All right.
Where are you guys out of?
It's Murrells Inlet now.
Murrells Inlet now. Now, what's the garnish on it?
Oh.
Candied bacon, jalapeno, and a cocktail shrimp.
Oh, and a
yes,
shrimp.
delicious.
All right,
All
I
right,
appreciate
Beatbox.
that. Barnacle
Give it a
Bills.
shot. Barnacle Bills right here
Right here?
in Murrells Inlet.
All
So
right,
if you haven't
ready?
already checked them out, you better go and do it.
First, we can get some
Chop it like
shrimp.
it's hot. Oh.
That's good.
So going over one more step. Back, Beatbox.
All right, you ready?
Yep.
And this is my fifth and hold on, let's start it.
Oh goodness.
This is my fifth and last one for Bloody Mary. Not margarita. Oh, it's good. Real good.
What is it? Sweet, spicy?
It's sweet and spicy.
Oh, okay. Well, there you go. Just in time before it started raining, and I think I just felt that first raindrop. Let's hope not. Well, if you missed it this year, make sure you join us next year for the Oyster Bloody Mary Festival of 2023. Such a good turnout, and we showed y'all a lot of restaurants from Pawleys Island to Murrells Inlet to Myrtle Beach. Go check them out, and as always, keep beaching.